Tutorial 2. Explain syntax. An email from the Galactic Federation? In the middle of your journey, you suddenly receive a message from the Galactic Federation. What do they send you? Sender, the Galactic Federation. Receiver, Space Cadet. Subject, upgraded terminal. Dear Space Cadet, our records have indicated that you learned enough commands to understand the basic structure for SQL commands. The Galactic Federation has taken notice of your achievements and have decided to bestow you on an upgraded terminal. On your journey, you will need your handy-dandy terminal to display information about the planet around you, and you are now able to type in the commands. As per the Space Explorer guidelines, we will now debrief you on the core structure of a SQL command and hope that you'll be able to overcome challenges that have yet to come. Okay, so in this diagram, we can see select, column, the name of the column, or a property of the column. So we've done this before. It could be a star, it could be a specific column. From database, so the name of the database, and the optional condition. So this is the condition last time we used where, and there'll be more to come, and always end with a semicolon. Warning, columns and database names are case sensitive. That means if all names are lowercase, make sure that they are lowercase when you type them in. Don't forget the semicolon at the end of the SQL command. Hopefully our advice will help you along the journey. Good luck, Space Cadet. Wishing you the best adventure, the Galactic Federation. Now we completed the second tutorial, we can go into activity 3 and learn the count command.